Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and access System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Finally, click on Theme and scroll all the way down. Now you can choose Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Click on the best one and manage keyboarders. When you're ready, click on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and customize it by tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Click on Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done, manage keyboarders and finally choose Apply. In order to delete one of your keyboards, click on it, tap on this bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit one of your custom ones, click on the chosen one, tap on this pen icon instead and make your changes. Then click on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!